everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, and for those of you who are new, welcome to the channel that will teach you all about crafting and how easy and fun it can be. Today I thought, since Christmas is right around the corner, we should do something fun that we can use as decor or give as a gift. So today we will be learning how to make a glitter ornament. So let's get crafting. So the first thing we need to do is cut some slits in here so we can have it sit steady while we let it drain. So just take some scissors and cut a slit down each side. And then we got to take the top off. Super simple. All right, so we want to take some polyacrylic. I like to use a syringe. And just pull some up. And then we're just gonna roll it around in the ornament. We want to get it well coated. And then we're gonna let it sit and drain for about 10 minutes. Right now, if you can see, it has like a bluish tint. We want it to, of course, drain the excess and dry enough to where it's like a clear coat on it instead of the bluish tint. So then let's go ahead and grab the solo cup and just sit it in here and let it drain for about 10 minutes. And then we will be back to do the rest. To pour the glitter into the ornament, I find it easiest to grab a piece of paper. Let's fold it in half. And then grab your glitter. I like to use extra fine glitter. You can use chunky, whatever glitter you want. And then just put it in the center. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It's pretty dry. So let's go ahead and get our glitter inside. Then we're going to do the same thing as we did with the polyacrylic. We just move it around and get it fully coated. Then when it gets to the end like this, what I like to do is just grab a piece of paper towel, put my finger over it, and shake, just to make sure it gets into everywhere. All right. And now there's glitter all over. And here comes the hardest part for me, the waiting. We need to let it dry for 1 hour before we put the top back on and decorate it if we want to. So I will see you back here in 1 hour. Okay, now that it's been an hour, it's dry enough for us to close it up. And now you have a lovely glittered ornament. You can leave it as is, or what I like to do is add a vinyl sticker that I cut out using my Cricut. Now let's go ahead and get this on. And you just want to press it in really well to get the vinyl to stick to the glass. And there you have it, your own Christmas ornament that you made. Super simple, easy, and makes a wonderful DIY gift for Christmas.